Okay, guys, good evening and welcome back. Hope you can hear me. Send me a thumbs up. All good? Can you hear me? Am I audible to you guys? Send me a thumbs up. Hope all good. Right, okay. So let's start the class. And one thing to highlight now, last week I couldn't do the class. So because of that, today and tomorrow both days I'm going to continue it. And today let's try to finish the entire paper. Only the two pendings are sections are pending. Section number 1 and we did the 2. Question number 3 only pending. It's a petty cash. So let's do the first question today. So this is grade 12 first term test paper of the Vishaka College, and after that I'm going to do the another paper, right? Okay, let's see. Following given is the statement of financial position prepared in Camlin Apparels. Wait, I hope you can't see. Wait on. Right. Now it's fine. Of Camlin Apparel as at 31st of March 2025. The business sell garments and also registered for the value added tax. This business is registered for the tax. Financial statement of financial position as at 31st of March 2025. Non-current assets, and non-current liability are there. Transactions occurred during the month of April 2025 as follows. You can see all the purchase and sales are subject to 18% VAT. Transaction made with Amin's business, transactions made with Laila business, transaction made with Yasmin's business, transactions made on with Salma's business, and other information are there. Required following prime into books in the month of April 2025. General Journal, cash receipt journal, cash payment journal, purchase journal, sales journal, return inwards, return outwards journal. Ledger accounts in the general ledger, trial balance as at 31st of April 2024. Now, when you take this kind of a question, so what I suggest, first of all, you need to number the transactions in an order. Number the transactions in an orderly manner, then you can go with the things. Now you need to use the chronological order or the date order. Okay, let's put numbers for the dates. Now in here, first transaction is the April 3rd නේද? April 3rd වලට කලින් වෙන transaction එක ගන්න ටක් ගාලා දාගෙන යන්න. April 3rd number 1 in here, right? Then number 2, you can see after April 3rd, April 4th, there is only one transaction. So I'm going to put April 4th in here. April 4th in here, number 2. Then April 5th in here, number 3. Then number 4, April 6th in here. What එහෙම නැතුව වාගේ ක්‍රමයකට යන්නත් පුළුවන්. So then number 5, there is another April 6th. So I'm going to put number 5 in here. 5 in here. Then number 6, you can see April 7th in here. April 7th, number 6. Then number 7, you can see April 8th. Number 7, it's April 8th. Number 7, it's April 8th. Then number 8 is April 9th. Sorry, there's another April 8th. So in here, you need to put number 8. Number 6. There is another one. For that, you can put number 8. Then April 9, number 9. April 9, number 9. Then April 10th is there. April 10th. Yes. 10th. Number 10. Then April 11, number 11. April 12th, no 13, no 14, nah. 15, nah. April 16, nah. Ekara number 12. Right? Then number 13, April 17. ඔක්කොමයි අන්තිමට පෙන්නන්න. Number 14, April 18. Number 15, April again there's a 18. Here number 15, right? Number 16, April 19. 19. Number 16. Number 17, April 20th. Number 17, April 20th, right? Number 18, April 21. Number 18, April 21, right? Number 19, April 24th. April 24th, number 19, right? So, number 20th, April 26th. ඔක්කොමයි පෙන්වන්නම් ඔයාලට. මම නම්බර් මෙච්චර ඔයාලට එකපාර මෙච්චර කොටක් දෙන්න එක්සෑම් එකේ බය වෙන්න එපා මේ ෆස්ට් ටර්ම් නිසා මෙතන දීලා තියෙන්නේ. This is number 20th. So number 21, 22. Here last two, 21. According to the chronological order or the date order, I have put numbers. පාන්න හරිද කියලා order එක වාගේ මම උඩින් ඉඳන් පෙන්නන්න. මේ තමයි Amines and the Lilas business. 1, 4, 10, 16, right? 2, 3, 6, 11. 1, 4, 10, 16, 2, 3, 6, 11. 1, 4, 10, 16, 2, 3, 4, 11. 2, 3, 6, 11. Then you can see next one 7, 9, 12, 17, 13, 14, 18, 20. 20, 13, 14, 18, 20. 7, 9, 12, 17, 13, 14, 18, 20. Then 5, 8, 15, 19, 21, 22. ගැහුවේ රේට් කරේ නැතත් අවුලක් නැහැ. තේරුණාද? මම මේ අර දේශියට ඔක්කොම මිස් නොවෙන්න තමයි ඩේට් ඕඩර් එකක් ගත්තේ. ඒක නැතත් අවුලක් නැහැ. ඒකට ටයිම් වැඩි වේස්ට් කරන්නත් එපා. Right, let's draw the formats. Okay. Number 1, general journal. Okay, quickly draw the general journal. General journal only to write the opening entries, right? So you can put the general journal. You know the format of the general journal. Date. Don't use the ruler. Huh? Date. Journal voucher number. Description, debit and credit. This is the format of the general journal. General journal. General journal. So all the things using thousands. Date. Journal voucher number. Description, debit and the credit, right? So this is the general journal. You can you only need to write the opening balances in here, right? So opening balances mean here these things, right? So all the things using thousands in here, opening balances may, I think that was omitted in here. Mention this was using thousands. Mention this was using thousands, right? There is the matter. This is using thousands, right? Yeah. Okay. Now let's write the opening balances. It's easy. Land and first write the debit side things. Land and building 6,000. Land and building 6,000. Debit entry things I'm writing now. Furniture and fittings 1,000. Furniture and fitting. Furniture and fittings thousands debit side. Then inventory 2,000. Trade receivable 1,500. Inventory 2,000. Trade receivables 1,500. Now just make sure write debit entries we are writing as DR in general journal. Then after trade receivables, cash 2,000. Cash 2,000. Cash debit 2,000. So all the debit entries we have recorded in the opening balances. Credit bank loan 2,000. Bank loan 2,000. 1,000. Then I have omitted the equity, right? So trade payables 3,000. Trade payables 3,000. Trade payables 3,000. Then VAT control account 800. It's a liability. VAT control account 800. Then accrued electricity 100. Accrued electricity 100. It is a credit entry 100. So equity, you can see equity 6,600. 6,600. So you can write the narration in here. Recorded opening balances as at 1st of April 2025. As at 1st of April 2025. Right? Okay. Now remember, when you are writing the answers in here, out of 8 marks, you are getting 3 marks for this one, right? So 3 marks, 3 rows, 1 mark. So 3 rows will get 1 mark, but maximum 3 marks. But remember, if no narration, we deduct 1 mark, right? If no narration, 1 mark. If no narration, no deduct 1 mark, right? Okay, good. Send me a thumbs up faster. So draw the other things, right? So then before taking the transactions, let's draw the other private books first. Cash receipt journal, cash payment journal, right? So cash receipt journal, cash payment journal, right? So I'm going to draw the cash receipt journal first, right? So keep like 7-8 lines: date, receipt number, description, discount allowed, description, discount allowed, value, and need only 4 analysis columns, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just only 4 analysis columns are enough, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And also draw the cash payment journal as well, the same format. Right? So cash receipt journal, using thousands. Cash payment journal, 1,000. Right? Skip 7 lines for each, 6, 7. Date, receipt number, in here date, voucher number, description, 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 In here, cash receipt journal discount allowed. In here, cash discount received. Value, value. And in here, analysis columns. Analysis columns ගාන යන විදියට බලමු. Analysis columns. They are asking general journal only to record the opening balances. Then don't need the to record the other things, right? General journal එකේ අනිත් transactions දාන්න ඕනේ නැහැ එතකොට. Right? Cash receipt journal, cash payment journal. Then after that, draw the purchase journal, sales journal, return inwards, return outwards. Date, invoice number, supplier, and you know the values. Rule පහක් වගේ තියන එකකට ඇති. The purchase journals, purchase journal, sales journal, date, invoice number, supplier, values. Date, invoice number, customer, and the values. Without VAT, I'll write like without VAT like this. Without VAT, VAT, and the with VAT. Exam එකේ ඔයා හරියක ලියන්න. Without VAT, VAT, and the with VAT. So, and also they are asking return inwards, return outwards journal. Return inwards, journal, thousands, return outwards journal, thousands. Return inwards, date, credit note, customer, values. Because this is a VAT registered business. Without VAT, VAT, with VAT. Right? Date, debit note, supplier, values. Without VAT, VAT, with VAT. So the primary book's done, all the things. Okay. Right? Draw the primary books. Then after that, draw the ledger accounts. I'll give you a few minutes. වෙලාව අරන් කරන්න මම ඔයගොල්ලෝ කරනකන් ඉන්න. Primary books ගන්න ඔක්කොම. Remember. So this is the cash receipt journal and the cash payment journal. Right? As well as then purchase journal, sales journal. Right? Then return inwards, return outwards, rule පහ පහ වගේ තියන්න ඔක්කොට. Right? Then also number 2, they're asking the ledger accounts. So I'm writing the ledger heading. Put the first cash control. ඒකන ටික rule වැඩිපුර තියන්න. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් cash control account එක rule 10ක් 15ක් තියෙනවා. ඒක තමයි වැඩිපුර ඕනේ. ඊළඟට debtor control and next the creditor control. Debtor control ledger heading එක උඩින්ම thousands දැම්මාම ආයේ හැම එකටම ලියන්න ඕනේ. Ledger debtor control, creditor control. අනිත් ledger accounts අපි යන විදිහට බලලා ගහමු. right? මේක තමයි වැඩිපුර යන්නේ. return inwards, return outwards ledger primary books උත් ගහන්න. right? then මේක තමයි ලොකුට ඕනේ. send me a thumbs up, hope all good. Can you hear me guys? Data control, creditor control, those things. And other ledger accounts we don't know what will happen, so ඒවා නිකන් දැන්ට නිකන් 3ක් 4ක් ගහලා දෙන්න අපි පස්සේ ගහගෙන යන්න. balance කරලා trial balance එකත් හදන්න කියන. කියන විදිය බලලා ගමු. Then let's start from the beginning. Right? We can start from the beginning. ඔය අර ඩේට් කරන්නේ නැතුව එක එකකින් ගියත් අවුලක් නැහැ. හැබැයි වෙනස තියෙන්නේ වෙලා යනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ ඩේට් කරන්න වෙලා යනවා තමයි. හැබැයි ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙන්නේ යන්න පුළුවන් නම් okay. Finish the structures and put raised hands, then we can start together. If you want me to show anything, let me know. ledger accounts වලට මුලින්ම ගහන්න cash control එකට පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩිපුර rule 10ක් 15ක් තියෙනවා. then debtor control, creditor control. අනිත් ඒවා වැඩි ඕනේ ටිකක් ගහලා තියන්න. Finish the structures and put raised hands. I'm waiting for the raised hands. Hurry up, faster guys. Are the others and the others? Hope done, right? Okay. Let's start from the beginning. If something comes to the prime entry book, we record in the ledger at the end. If anything, if something not which not record in the given prime in the book, at the same time we are recording in the ledger, right? So remember, then for an example, purchasing an uncurrent assets on credit, it goes to the general journal. In general journal, they have asked only the opening balances. So yeah, we are not recording in other transactions. So it goes to the general ledger at the same time. Okay, let's go from the beginning. Number one, transaction made with Amin, right? So market price of credit purchase. This is a credit purchase, right? So number one, go to the purchase journal. Go to the purchase journal. So all the transactions are in 2025, right? 2025. The April 3rd, right? 3rd of April, we purchased from Amina, right? Yeah, Amina. So credit purchase 700, trade discount 10% means 70. 700 minus 70 means how much? 630. This is without VAT. Without VAT. Without VAT. All the transactions are subject to VAT. You can see the VAT rate is how much they have given you the VAT rate 18%, right? So this is 100. Without VAT means 100, right? So 100 means 830 divided by 100. That amount means multiply by 18, how much? 830 divided by 100 multiply by 18. So 600. 630 divided by 100 multiply by 18. How much? Much? Yes. Then it's 743,000.4. Right? With VAT means including the VAT. So you can take this much. Here, damn, this මොක මතක තියන ලේසිකමක් කියන මේක 100 18 118. එතකොට තියෙන එකකින් බෙදෙනවා. 100 වලින් 613 බෙදෙනවා. ඕන එක 18 18 වලින් වැඩි කරාම මේකේ. ඔයාලට මේකත් ගන්න පුළුවන් ඕන 630 100 වලින් බෙදලා මේ 100 බෙදලා 118 වලින් වැඩි කරාම with that amount එක එනවා. Right? Number 1 done. Number 2. So where is our number 2? Here. Credit purchase from whom? Laila. 4th of April. You can write 4th of April. We purchased from Laila. So 600 less 15% discount, trade discount. How much the purchase price? You know, trade discounts are not taken into account. So we will deduct 15% from 600. How much? 510. So this is 510 is the without VAT amount. 510. So 510 divide by 100. 5.1, right? Multiply by 18. How much? 91.8. So then you can take 601.8. 601.8. Right? Second one also done. All good. Send me a thumbs up, guys. Hope it's clear to you, right? Hope all good, right? Then next one. Number 3. Market price of goods returned, right? We return the goods to whom? 100 was returned to Laila, right? So it goes to return outwards journal. Return outwards journal, right? 5th of April. Return outward they gave one. Return outward they gave, right? Return outward. So Laila. So Laila. So you can see market price of goods was returned 700, right? That means 700, sorry, 100. Market price දැන් ලයිලාගෙන් ගද්දි අපි ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එක අඩු කරලා ගත්තා. මේ මාකට් ප්‍රයිස් එකට ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එක අඩු කරලා මේ ලයිලාගෙන් ගත්තේ. He purchased after deducting 15%. Now we return to the Laila after deducting 15%. 15% means how much? 15, right? 15% into 100 means 15. So 100 minus 15 means how much? 80, 85. So we returned the without VAT amount to Laila how much? 85. So 85 divided by 100 multiply by 18 how much? 15.3. So add together then you get 100.3. 100.3. Right? Okay. Then number 3 done. Number 4. Market price of cash purchase. So cash purchase means it goes to where? Cash payment journal. Go to the cash payment journal. 6th of April. Cash payment journal. 6th of April. So you just need to write as purchase. No need the others name. So purchase, we purchase from whom? Amina. Just write purchase is enough. ඔයාට පස්සේ ට්‍රැක් කරගන්න හිතෙනවා නම් නිකන් අමීනා කියලා නිකන් දාලා තියාගන්න. Now you can see 800 is the market price. Trade discount 10% means 80. So we are how much is the value we are purchasing? Huh? 720. Then මේකේ VAT තියෙන්න ඕනේ කීයද? 18%. means මේකේ ඇත්තටම 720 කියන්නේ 100 නේ. 720 කියන්නේ 100. එතකොට අපි VAT ගාන බැලුවොත් කීයද? 720 divided by 100 multiply by 18 how? 129.6. දැන් මතක තියාගන්න දැන් මේකේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා. මේකේ without VAT VAT with VAT නේ. දැන් මේකේ value column එක කියන්නේ VAT එක්ක ගන්න. තේරුණා? දැන් අපි analysis column එකේ දෙක separately දාන්න. දැන් මෙතන දාන්නේ purchase. මෙතන දාන්නේ VAT. value column එකේ දාන්නේ purchase එකම ගන්න. දැන් මෙතන 720 නේ purchase එක. VAT එක ඇවිල්ලා 129.6 හරිනේ. තේරුණාද? value එක තියෙන්නේ 849.6. Right? Remember the VAT value is now the value is in here with the VAT amount. Right? All good, send me a thumbs up. Value එක දාන්නේ අපි VAT ගානත් එක්ක. හරිනේ? Remember. මෙතන මතක තියාගන්න don't write only the without VAT. With VAT amount in here. Then number 4 done. Where is our number 5? Yeah, this other transaction. Furniture worth 500,000 was purchased on credit for office purpose from the Noor company. Then අපි මේක ගන්න furniture නේ. දැන් මේ furniture අපි ගන්න. තේරුණා? furniture ගද්දි මතක තියාගන්න. මේක අපේ purchase journal එකට දාන්න බෑ because this is though it's on credit it's for the office purpose. This goes to general journal. General journal they are not asking, so we just but before that remember I forgot to tell you something. We need to write the opening balances in the ledger. Opening balance ටික දාන්න ඕනේ. Opening balance ටික දාලින් cash control 2000. Go to the cash control and put the balance 2000. Cash control balance, put balance board forward 2000. Then you can write trade receivables 1500. You know the opening balance comes under debit. Balance board forward 1500. Then creditor control trade payable you can see 3000. So I'm going to put the balance on the credit side 3000. 3,000, right? Then other things, let's put land and building 6,000. So open a land and building and it's an asset. So put on the debit side. Land and building, land and building, balance brought forward. How much? 1,000, 1,000. Furniture and fittings, assets, balance brought forward. How much? 1,000. Inventory 2,000. Opening inventory 2,000. Opening inventory. සාමාන්‍ය inventory තියෙන opening closing විතරයි 1,000. Then bank loan 2,000 under credit. So bank loan 2,000. Bank loan balance brought forward 1,000. VAT control account 800, right? VAT control එකත් ටිකක් ලොකුවට ඕනේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ගොඩක් එන නිසා. VAT control balance brought forward 800. Accrued electricity balance brought forward 100. That's it. Right. So now let's write. Now remember, we have purchased furniture how much? Furniture 500, right? Then furniture account debit 500. Then වා හිතනවා එතකොට sir creditor control the credit වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේ creditor නෙමෙයි නූර් කියන්නේ වෙන එකක්. So then you need to open another account called what? Noor company. They are not trade creditors, right? They are other creditors. So you can see we purchase furniture. Furniture account debit how much? 500 as Noor company. Noor company account credit furniture as 500. Furniture as 500. Right? This is not the trade creditor, this is other creditor. නෑ. එතන these are the other purchases. සාමාන්‍ය අපි inventory අරගෙන අද ඒවට කියලා නැත්නම් දාන්නේ. inventory නෙමෙයි. business usage එකකට නේ ගන්න. VAT එක set off කරන්නේ buying and selling එක. input output. එක ගන්න use කරන්න. Number 5 done. Number 6, guys, our number 6. Market price of cash purchases 1000, trade discount 10%. Okay. Go to the cash payment journal. Cash payment journal. 7th of April. 7th of April. We purchased from who? Laila, right? Yes. Laila purchases ki temmanang ඇති. Right? VAT inclusive කියන VAT එක. but exclusive මේක inclusive කියලා නෑ. ඔව් inclusive කිව්වොත් 118 හදලා. ඔව් ඔතන VAT එක VAT නැති ගන්නවා නම් 118 ඉඳලා. Now market price of, now there's a 10% cash discount. How much the 10% in here? 10% means 100, right? 1000 minus 100 means 900. So without VAT is 900 in. So 900 divided by 100 multiplied by 18, how much? It's 160. So then 1062 is the VAT amount. 1060 with VAT amount. Right? Next one. Number 6, number 7. Market price of credit sale was 800, 900. So goes to the sales journal. Go to the sales journal. We sold goods to who? Yasmin. 8th of April. Sold to Yasmin. So market price 900 means without VAT. 900. 900 divided by 100 multiply by 18. How much? It's 100. 116,060. Right? Yasmin. Number 8. Guys, our number 8. Payment of electricity bill relevant to the previous month of 100,000. Right. So then කලින් මාසයක අපි දැන් ගෙවලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒතකොට දැන් මේ සල්ලි ගෙවන එකක්. ඒතකොට කොහෙද දෙන්නේ? cash payment journal. තේරුණාද? දැන් මේ සල්ලි ගෙවනවනේ. ඒතකොට cash payment එකේ දාලා තමයි දාන්නේ. Go to the cash payment journal. So write the date 8th of April. 8th of April we are paying the accrued electricity. Accrued electricity 100. This is the other payment. Other payment. Other payment. The other payment 100. Other payment. Where is our number 9? 100,000. Then number 8 done. Number 9. VAT inclusive price of cash sales 944. Now there is a cash sale. You can see there is a cash sale. Now there's a cash sale. So cash sale goes to the cash receipt journal, right? So 9th of April sale. Right? Cash sale. To whom? Yasmin. Now remember, this is VAT inclusive price. VAT inclusive price means this 118. තේරුණාද? So මේ 944 ට මෙතන එකපාරම දාන්න පුළුවන්. තේරුණාද? ඔව්. But sale and the VAT you need to check. So 944 divided by 180 multiply by 100 how much? 800. 944 divided by 180 multiply by 100. It's 800. 944 divided by 180 multiply by 18. 144. 144. Right? 144. Next one. So this is done. 9th of April done. 10th of April. Sorry, 9th of April. 9 number 10 බලන්න. ආමෙති. Market price of goods returned to supplier 300. So there is a return. So return outwards. Go to the return outwards. Outwards. We return to whom? Amin, right? Amina. So rupees 300. That is the market price. Market price means, remember, there is a trade discount as well. How much? 10%, right? So 10th of April, Amina. දැන් මේ ඇවිල්ලා market price එකනේ 300 කියන්නේ. So 300 වලට අපි ගද්දි 10% discount එකක් දුන්නා. ඒ 10% discount එක අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ. 30 අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ. 270. So 270 divided by 100 multiply by 18, how much? 48.6. 270 divided by 118 multiply by so 270 divided by 100 multiply 118, how much? Then it's 30 318.6. 318.6. ඒක පැටලෙන්නේ කියන්නේ හැමතිස්සෙම දැන් මේකනේ මුලින්ම දැන් 100 ධන 18 100 දාන්න. මේක නම් ඔයා හොයාගත්තේ. ඔයා මේක හොයාගත්ත කියන්නේ මුලින්ම. ඔයා මේක 18න් බෙදන්න. ඔයාට ඕන එකෙන් වැඩි කරන්න. 100 100 plus 18 118. ඔයා මේක හොයාගත්තොත් මේක 118න් බෙදලා 100න් වැඩි කරාම මේක හම්බ වෙනවා. තේරෙනවද? කෙනෙක්ගෙන් බෙදලා ඕන එකෙන් වැඩි කරන්න. එතකොට ඔයාට හම්බ. Then number 10 done. Number 11. Cash paid subject to 10% discount was 360. We paid cash to whom? Laila. So go to the cash payment journal. 11th of April. 11th of April. We paid cash to Laila. Right. Then there is a 10% trade discount, right? Sorry. Cash paid subject to 10% discount was 360. එතකොට cash ගෙවපු ගාන 360 මතක තියාගන්න. එතකොට අපි ගෙව්වේ 360. මේ ඇවිල්ලා discount එක අඩු කරාට පස්සේ ගාන. VAT එක ගද්දි 100 18 118 discount එද්දි 100 minus 10, that is the 90. discount එකක් හම්බුනාම ගාන අඩු වෙනවා. VAT එකේදී ගාන වැඩි වෙනවා. discount එකේදී ගාන මොකද වෙන්නේ? අඩු වෙනවා. දැන් VAT එක අඩු කරලා sorry tax මේ discount එක අඩු කරලා ගෙවපු ගාන 360. කියන්නේ මේ ඇවිල්ලා 90. තේරුණාද? ඔයාලා discount එක ඕන නම් 360 90 වලින් බෙදලා 10න් වැඩි ඈ 40 you get 40 so the discount you get how much හැබැයි මතක තියාගන්න ඇනලිසිස් කොලම් වලට ක්‍රෙඩිටර් පේමන්ට් කියලා දාන්නේ අපි ඩිස්කවුන්ට් නැති ගාන ක්‍රෙඩිටර් පේමන්ට් ඇනලිසිස් කොලම් හතරක් ගැව්වා නම් ඇති ඊට වඩා වැඩිපුර දීපොත් ඔයා ඒක බලලා හදා ඇඩ්ජස්ට් right done then number 11 done number 12 number 12 that inclusive price of goods returned to the business was 59 so return inwards hey ජස්මින්ට අපි සෙල් කරා නම් දැන් එයා දැන් රිටර්න් එකක් තියෙනවා return inwards return outwards in කියන්නේ එනවා out කියන්නේ යනවා so return inwards me 59 this that inclusive price so go to the return inwards journal so when is the date 16 of April right 16 of April 16 of April 59 is the that's inclusive price 16 of April Jasmine right? That includes with that amount so this is 118 59 divided by 118 multiply by 18 how much it's 9 අපි ආපස්සට ආවේ done so 12 done now the 13 market price of cash sales 1300 discount receipt 15 is a cash sales goes to where cash receipt journal go to the cash receipt journal when is the date 17th of April right 17th of April market price of cash sales 1300 then discount එක අඩු කරලා මට කියන්න බාන්න කියලා 1300 200 වලින් 15 අඩු කරා percent අඩු කරා 1020 නේද 1020 15% අඩු කරා then මේ sale to whom is sold to Salma right මේ without VAT නේ 1020 එතකොට VAT එක මේක 100 වලින් බෙදලා 18 වලින් වැඩි කරාම you will get 83.6 you can get the total 1203.6 right next one 17 the number 13 number 14 market price of credit sale නම් මොකද දෙන්නේ sales journal එකට go to the sales journal 18 of April Salma right Salma market price of credit sale how much 800 නේද එතකොට 800 වලින් 20% අඩු කරාම 640 and 900 oh 646 800 වලින් 20% අඩු කරාම 640. Again 100 is the 640. So 640 divided by 100 multiply by 18, how much? 115.2. So then you get a total in here 755 point. Next one. 18 done, 14 done, number 15. Number 15. Cash drawings 30 means this goes to where? Cash payment journal. Cash payment journal. සල්ලි එළියට යන්නේ. Cash payment journal. When is the date? 18th of April. Drawings. How much? 30. Other payment. 30 other payment. Done. Number 16. 200,000 paid in cash. Discount received was 30. He paid in cash how much? 200,000, right? So you can write cash payment journal. කාටද අපි ගෙවලා තියෙන්නේ? අමීනා නේද? අමීනා 19th of April. Amina, he paid 200. We received the discount how much? 30. ගෙවපු ගාන ඒක creditor payment. Count එක අඩු කරලා දාන්නේ නැහැ. මං කිව්වේ මේ කලින් එකේ discount එක අඩු කරන්නේ නැහැ. payments වලට සල්ලි එළියට යන ගානේ අපි දාන්නේ. All good, send me a thumbs up. Line, hope it's okay for you. Next one. Then 16 done. 17. Cash received 3,000 and discount allow 40. Jasmine, cash received. So go to the cash receipt journal. Right? 17. What the date? 20th of April. 20th of April. 20th of April. Jasmine. Cash received how much? Count allowed 40. Cash received, so you can draw receipt from debtors. Debtors 3. From debtors 3. Then is also done. 17 done. 18. Market price of goods return. Sell කරා නම් මේක return කරන්න return inwards, right? Return inwards. Go to the return inwards. When is the date? 21st of April, right? Salma. 21st of April. Salma. Then market price එක 200 නම් දැන් discount එක කොහොමද හොයාගන්නේ? මට නෑ දැන් මේ 15% ගන්න 20% ගන්න. Cash sale return කරන්නේ නෑනේ, only the credit sale return. Credit sale වලට දාපු discount එක 20% නම් market price එක 200 නම් you deduct how much? 20%. How much? 200 into 20%? 40. So 160 is the without VAT. 160 inwards. Sell කරනවා නම් ආයි එද්දි return inwards. මතක තියාගන්න customer කෙනෙක් එවද්දි return in. යවද්දි return out. So 160 in here, 160 divided by 100 multiply by 18. So then 288. Then you will get how much? Add කරනවානේ තොරතුරු. Oh. एक ये दिन 106 divided by 100 multiply by 80. 28.8 නේද? 8.8 මෙතන ඉන්නේ 188.8. right? 188.8. Done. 19. Electricity bill relevant for the month of April 2000 was 120. දැන් මේ ගෙවනවා කියලා නෑ. මේ මාසෙට අදාළ electricity bill එක දීලා තියෙන්නේ. මං කියදේ. එතකොට it goes to general journal. ගෙවලා නෑ. So මේක ගෙවලා නෑ. So electricity expense account debit, accrued electricity bill, which means liability account credit how much? 120 goes to the ledger account, electricity bill account debit. Electricity bill account එක කලින් තිබ්බේ නෑ. Open කරන්න බාන electricity accrued එක තියෙනවනේ. electricity debit accrued double entry ඕන. නෑ ඒක අපි අන්තිමට දාන්න. 5 minute book එකකින් එක ගෙවපු ගාන මාසේ අන්තිමට දාන්න. right? Electricity bill account how much? 120. So electricity bill debit 120 as accrued. කලින් ගෙවපු ගාන මාසේ අන්තිමට දාන්න. electricity 100. right? ඒ liability කරන්න ගෙවලා නැහැ. බිල හම්බුණා කියලා විතරයි කියන්නේ. බිල හම්බුණා කියන්නේ ගෙවලා නැහැ. බිල ගෙවලා කියලා නෑනේ. just we receive the bill. right? Next one. So 19 done, then 20 would cash received for 450 after deducting the discount of 20,000. So cash receipt journal goes to the cash receipt journal. Cash receipt journal. We receive cash. When is the date? 26th of April. From whom? Salma. And remember in here they are asking only the general journal thing. So ඒගොල්ලෝ අහන්නේ general ledger මේ අහන්නේ general ledger subsidiary ledger ඒවා නෙමෙයි අහන්නේ. සමහරවිට. Then Salma. So we receive 450. After deducting 20 means receive value 450. After receive 30. No 20. Ne? After deducting 20. Went last two. Building depreciation and furniture depreciation relevant for the month April 30 and 20. So building depreciation just only it goes to the general journal. General journal like ahanne. So goes to the general ledger and record building depreciation account debit, building accrued depreciation account credit. So accrued name provision for depreciation. So you have to open building depreciation account. Building depreciation account debit. How much the building? 30. So building provision for depreciation account credit. Building provision for depreciation. So building draw building provision for depreciation. Oh. Credit. හරිනම් මේකේ opening balance එකක් තියෙනවා නේ opening provision for depreciation තිබ්බේ නෑනේ ගිය මාසේ. Then you can see furniture depreciation debit, furniture provision for depreciation, furniture depreciation, furniture provision for depreciation. How much? 40. Furniture depreciation account debit 40. Provision for depreciation, furniture depreciation, furniture provision. Last one. Paid bank loan installment of 50, bank loan interest for 20. Now to go to the cash payment journal. Given a cash pay. Go to the cash payment journal. So we pay bank 30th of April, bank loan plus interest. Paid bank loan installment of 50, right? So අපි ගෙවන්නේ 50. හරිනම් මේකේ තව එන්න ඕනේ ඇත්තටම ඉඩ නැහැ අපිට. මොකද හරිනම් මේකේ මේ බෑන්ක් ලෝන් එකට ඉන්ට්‍රස්ට් එක එක්ස්පෙන්ස් එක වෙනම දාන්න එපේ. තව කොලම් එකක් එන්න ඕනේ හරිනම් එක්ස්පෙන්ස් කියලා. මං කිව්වේ තේරෙනවද? කාගේ එහෙම නැත්තම් එහෙම දෙන්නේ නැහැ. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් 4ට වඩා දෙනවා අඩුයි. දෙන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද අපි ස්ට්‍රක්චර් එක ගහද්දි 5 5 10 කෝකටත් 4ක් ගන්න ඔයාලට ඕන නම් මැක්සිමම් 5ක් ගහලා තියන්න. දැන් මේකේ ඔයාගේ ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙන්නේ ඔයා දැනට මේකටම 50 දාන්න. හැබැයි දාලා තේරුණාද? දාලා ඒකේ එක ටක් ගාලා දාන්න. මොකද දැන් බැංක් ලෝන් ඉන්ට්‍රස්ට් account එකක් ඔයා දාන්න එපේ. දැන් මේ 50 ඇතුලේ ඔයාට පේනවද 30 තියෙනවා කීය 20 තියෙනවා ඉන්ට්‍රස්ට් එක. ඔයා බැංක් ලෝන් ඉන්ට්‍රස්ට් එක්ස්පෙන්ස් account එක ඩෙබිට් වෙන්න ඕනේ 20. මං කියන එක තේරෙනවද? 50 ඇතුලේ 20 නේ බැංක් ලෝන් ඉන්ට්‍රස්ට්. දැන් මෙතන දාන්න ඇනලිසිස් කොලම් එකක් නැහැ. මං අරකටම දැම්මා. ඕක ওই වෙලාවෙම ටක් ගාලා ගිහින්. Open a bank loan interest expense account. Bank loan interest expense account. Bank loan interest expense account. Interest expense account. Debit. How much? 20. 20. As cash control. Cash control. ඒක දැම්ම දාලා ඉන්න. මොකද ඒක ඉඩ නැති නිසා අන්තිමට තියෙන්නේ. ඒතර බැංක් ලෝන් account එක ඩෙබිට් වෙන්නේ කීයද? 30. cash control. cash control එක අපි දැන් ක්‍රෙඩිට් කරනවා මේකට ඕඩර් එක ගත්තා. interest එකේ ඉන්නේ 20, bank loan එකේ ඉන්නේ 30. එහෙම තමයි 50. Right? Now we just need to balance the ledger accounts, sorry, balance the prime window book and extract to the trial extract to the ledger accounts. Okay. Come to the cash receipt journal first. Can you hear me, guys? Send me a thumbs up. Hope it's clear, right? Cash receipt journal එකට එන්න ගන්න බලන්න totals of statement ගන්න බලන්න. darling මේක 60 නේද? value column එකේ total එක ගන්න බලන්න. ඔක්කොම විනාඩියක් දෙකක් දෙන්නම් අරගෙන ටක් ගාලා ledger balance කරන්න බලන්න. Right. Okay. So in here, how much the total in here? 2897.6 mega 1820 750. පාන්න මේකට ටැලි වෙනවද කියලා එන්න මේ දෙකම එකපාර අපි දාලෙමු කෑෂ් 20 2651.6 160 91.6 5618 18. And darling, go to the cash control account. Cash control account credit as say sorry debit as sales. Sales. How much is the sales? You can see sales we got 1820. 1820. Sales account credit as sales account credit. Open a sales account. Sales. Cash control 182. Then you can see there is a VAT on sales, right? VAT on sales how much? 200 327.6, right? VAT on sales. VAT කියලා දැම්මහම ඇති මේකේ VAT control credit නෙවෙයි liability වැඩි වෙන නිසා අපිට සල්ලි හම් VAT ගන්නවනේ සෙල් කරද්දී ඒ VAT control account credit ඇයි VAT සෙල් කරලා හම්බෙන VAT එක අපේ liability එකක් government එකට right? So VAT control credit 327.6 as cash cash credit. Then there is another thing, the debtor control how much? 750. Cash control debit, debtor control credit 750. Debtor control cash control debit, debtor control credit, debtor control credit as cash control. And remember, there is another thing. කට්ටිය ගොඩක් අය ඒ වෙලෙම අමතක කරනවා. And make sure to record the discount allowed at the same time. Open a discount allow. How much the discount allowed? To open a discount allowed account, and debit as this debtor control, see, debtor control credit, count allowed. Now let's record this one. So purchase account, credit the cash control account as purchase. How much? 16. Purchase, open a purchase account. කලින් ගාපු එකක් නැහැ. Purchase account debit 16 as cash control. Next one. Then VAT 291.6. මේ purchase කරද්දී අපි ගෙවන VAT. ඒක අපිට claim කරන්න පුළුවන්. Purchase කරද්දී VAT ගෙවනවා. VAT ගෙවද්දී සල්ලි එළියට යනවා cash control. VAT control debit as cash control. 91.6. 91.6. Right? So VAT cash control credit, VAT control debit. Then next one, creditor payment 560. Creditor payment 560. Cash control credit as creditor control 560. Creditor control debit as cash control 560. Cash control. And next one, these are other payments. Accrued electricity 100. Cash control credit as accrued electricity. Accrued electricity 100. Accrued electricity debit. දැන් තමයි ඒකට එන්නේ. Then you can see drawings 30, owners drawings, cash control credit as drawings 30. So not 30. Get the drawings. Huh? ඒවා වෙන වෙනම දාන්න. Drawings 30 නේද? 30. So open a drawings account. Drawings account debit 30 as cash. Got the cash control credit, accrued electricity debit. Then you can see there's another one. Bank loan and bank loan interest. අපි ඒක ගත්තනේ. Bank loan එකට ගියා 30, bank loan interest එකට ගියා 20. Bank loan 30, bank loan interest එකට ගියා done. Now cash done. In the purchase sales, key the balance. Purchase sales, sales sale. 1140 make it 2 point 2. Take a 1.4 make 1540 277.2. Okay, darling. Purchase account debit without VAT. Purchase account debit without VAT as creditor control. Here 1140. VAT control credit as creditor control. When we purchase our liability creditor control, how much? 205.2. Purchase කරද්දි VAT එක වැඩි වෙනවා. What grade 12%? Okay, 3 hours. Then creditor control credit purchase කරද්දි අපි ඒක debit වෙන්නේ මොකද අපිට set off කරන්න creditor control 205.2. Then the creditor control credit both purchase plus VAT. How much? Creditor control credit 1345.2. Then next one, you can see sales journal. How many the total? 1540. Sales account credit without VAT amount as debtor control. It's 1540. VAT control also credit as debtor control. How much? It's 277.2 nil. ළඟට debtor control debit as sales plus VAT. You can write sales plus VAT. How much? 1817.2. Last two prime in the book. Can you tell me the total? Make a one, make a 210, 37.8, 247.8. Online all good, send me a thumbs up. Hope it's creative. Right? In here 355, 63.9, 18.9. To open a return inwards account, return inwards account, debit, right? Return inwards, debtor control, how much? 210. VAT control also debit as debtor control, how much? 37.8. Creditor control credit, so debtor control credit, return inwards plus VAT 247.8. So return outwards account into open. These expense account, creditor control 355. VAT control also credit as creditor control 63.9. Creditor control account debit return outwards plus VAT. It's 418.9. Already. What is the next step? Need to pay what finally? Trial balance. Whose business is this? The time period April 13 is. You can see the Palmerline Apparels. Palmerline Apparels. Balance කරලා ගන්න බලන්න. Apparels. කොහොම දාලා තියෙන්නේ? send me a thumbs up guys. කොහොමද කරන්නේ? Apparels. Palmerline Apparels. Trial balance as that as at 31st March 2000. ඉතින් බලාගෙන එකක් දෙකක් කරන්න අනිත් එක කරන්න. How much the cash control total? Get 4897 points. 4897 points. E get 2246. EF 2246. So you can see cash control 46. Balance the data control. It's 3317.2. 3317.2. BCD 2259.4. EF 2259.4. So data control 2259.4. Then you know 4345.2, 4345.2, BCD 3296.3, EBF 3296.3. Creditor control, the credit 3296.3. අමාරු ටික දැම්ම අනිත් ටික ඉතින් ඔයාලට කරගෙන යන්න. Right? Balance the other things. You can balance the දැන් මේවා EDBF ගියාට මට ඕනේ මේ electricity එහෙම don't write like this. Transfer the PNL 120 some expense. හැබැයි මෙතන යන්නේ electricity කියලා 120. ඔය වගේ අනිත් ledger accounts balance කරලා බලන්න පාඩ පුළුවන්. balance කරලා දාන්න බාන්න වල trial balance එක tally වෙනවා 17275.4, 17,275.4. All good. Send me a thumbs up, guys. Send me a more balance කරන්න or trial balance මෙච්චර ගානකට tally වෙනවා. කරුණාද දාන්න බාන්න thumbs up එක. All good. Hope it's clear to you. Right? The marks එන විදිය ගැන 80 නේ ඉන්නේ. ඔයා private books වලට දීලා තියෙනවා ලකුණු 28ක් 28ක් දීලා තියෙනවා. ඒ total 80 marks private books වල ලකුණු 28ක් දීලා තියෙනවා. මේකට පහයි cash receipt එකට columns පහට total එකත් එක්ක පහයි 1 4 5 මේකේ 8ක් එනවා. ඒ 8ක් එන්නේ 1 2 4 5 6 මේකත් එක්ක 8යි 1 2 එකත් එක්ක 8යි පළවෙනි එකට 5යි දෙවෙනි එකට 8යි ඊළඟට purchase journal එකට ඇවිල්ලා දිනවා 3ක් 1 2 ඉතින් 5 and 8 ඊළඟට මේකෙදි 1 2 9 ඊළඟ දෙකේ 3 3 1 2 1 2 totally වාට එනවා 28 comprimed books එක ගත්තා. then ledger accounts වලට දීලා තියෙනවා ලකුණු totally 929. ledger accounts මං හිතන්නේ ඔක්කොම 1 1 වගේ හම්බෙනවා. මේකට ලකුණු 10යි. ඒකට ලකුණු data control එකට 7යි. data control 7යි ඕමම ගත්තේ. ඊට අනිත් මේ ඔක්කොටම 1 2 3 4 5 එකත් එක්ක 29 දීලා තියෙනවා. finally trial balance එකට දීලා තියෙනවා ඒ 29 ගත්තේ කොහොමද දන්නවද? එතන ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා maximum ඔක්කොම එනවා 29 ගත්තේ ඔක්කොම එනවා 58 එනවා. 58 දෙකෙන් බෙදලා තමයි 29. එන ඔක්කොම 58 දෙකෙන් බෙදලා 29 ගත්තා. ඊට පස්සේ trial balance එකට ලකුණු හම්බ වෙනවා ඔයාට maximum 23 කියන rows එක 1 by 1 බලලා එනත් එක්ක එතකොට 80 හැදෙන්නේ 28 29 23 equal to the 80. send me a thumbs up. මම තමයි 80 marks කියන්නේ ට්‍රයිල් බැලන්ස් එකේ බැලන්ස් ටිකක් දාන්න කිව්වා. මම ඕනනම් ඔයාලට ලියලා පෙන්නන්නම් බලන්න. එතන එනවනේ ඊළඟට බැලන්ස් දෝනේ ඔයාලට එනවා බලන්න. ක්‍රෙඩිට් කන්ට්‍රෝල් හරි ලෑන්ඩ් ඇන්ඩ් බිල්ඩින් එනවා 6000. එතන බැලන්ස් ටික විතරනේ ඕනේ නේද? ඔයා කියන්නේ ලෙජර් account බැලන්ස් කරන්න කියලාද මට? එතන බැලන්ස්ද නැත්නම් ලෙජර් එකේ බැලන්ස්? එතන බැලන්ස් ටික නේද? ලෑන්ඩ් ඇන්ඩ් බිල්ඩින් එනවා 6000. Furniture and fitting 1005. Inventory 2000. මට ඉතින් ඔක්කොම ලියන්න ඉඩ මදි. ගුවන් ඔයාට කරගන්න. VAT control account එකේ balance එක එනවා credit side 934.1. Accrued electricity 120. Bank loan 1970. Then after bank loan, Noor Company 500. Drawings 30. Electricity 120. Sales 3360. Purchase 2760. Bank loan interest 20. Building depreciation 30. Then building provision for depreciation 30. Furniture depreciation 40. Provision for depreciation also 4. Return outwards 355. Inwards 210. Discount allowed 3. $70. Pity 17275.4 17,205. හරි නේද? පාඩම මේක කරගන්න පුළුවන්. බෑ කරන්න ඕනේ. ඔත් එහෙම එක්සෑම් එකේ කනාවට ගන්න. ඒතර ලොකු අමාරුවක් දෙන්න. මේක තව එකයි පෙන්ඩින් තියෙන්නේ පෙටි කෑෂ් එක. ඕනේද? එකත් කරමු ඕන්න. දැන් නෙමෙයි. ගල්ලා අපි තව පේපර් එකක් තියෙනවා ඒකට යමු. ඕකේ නේද දාන්න බලන්න තමයි. හෙට ඒක කළා there is a new paper starting tomorrow. All good, send me a thumbs up. There's a new paper starting tomorrow. Right? So all the things done in here, there is only one pending. Right? කොම කරාම එකක් නෑ අර. Kumartik. So that's it. Let's meet tomorrow 8 p.m. as well, right? Thank you for the participation. Bye. Night. God bless.